Hi, my name is Dagmar, and in this series I'm going to give you tips on how to effectively work with the new Outlook for the web. Today I'm going to give you a shortcut to efficiency. Top 5 shortcuts for Outlook users. Let's get to it. Before we dive into my top 5 keyboard shortcuts for the new Outlook on the web, I would like to note that there are tons of keyboard shortcuts for new Outlook. The list is really long and I don't have time to show you all of them. That's why I only picked my top 5 that I use daily. However, if you want to check them out, you as both Windows users or MacBook users, go to the description under this video and you find there links for both of the lists. So you can check that and maybe use more of the shortcuts. Maybe you will need some other more, not only the 5 I mentioned here right now. Okay, so now we can start. My first one I use, as I said, pretty much every day, is for creation of new message, of new email, also new contact and new event, and that is keyboard shortcut N. Both Windows users and MacBook users will use this keyboard shortcut, only N. As you can see, here we have the window opened with a new message. I'm just gonna quickly put there my email address. I just want you to know how to send this one because this is my next keyboard shortcut. So this is only like an example. Yeah, so if you want to send it, we're gonna use the keyboard shortcut for Windows. It's Control Enter, and for MacBooks is Command Enter. So I'm gonna use that, send, perfect, so it works. All right, my third one would be for like the replies, which is for both, again, Windows and MacBook. It's only R, so I'm gonna use it for maybe this one. So I'm gonna just go with R. Yeah, here's my reply, so I can just write there something and send it. I'm not gonna do that right now, but that's there was the third one. The next one would be indeed forwarding messages, which you will do if you use Windows. You're gonna do that with Shift and F. If you use MacBook, you're gonna do that with Shift, Control and F. So I'm gonna do that right now. Yeah, here you can see new message, forwarding message. Again, you can fill this and send it. And my last one, and probably the most important one of all of these 5, is U. For MacBook, that is Command plus U. And what does it do? I can use it for this one, which is our wishes for Christmas. And what it does, it basically makes your email mark as unread. So you can see here is it is bold, and if I click on some other one, it looks like, you know, I've just got it. This really helps me with not forgetting to get back to this email, and if there's a task, I always know I can go back to it, I don't forget about it, and I can start working on it. Yeah, so that was my top 5. Let me know in the comments, what is your top 5? Or what is your most favorite keyboard shortcut in the new Outlook on the web? I will be looking forward to read it then. And that's it. Now you know the top 5 keyboard shortcuts for new Outlook. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell to get notified every time there's a new video. I'll see you soon.